again to another episode of Chasing Shadows. Alright. Get some light going. Okay, I got something to tell you guys. Alright, get this out. Open up my tripod real quick. Alright, how's this? Alright, guys. Let me lift this up. Maybe that'll work. Alright. No lie, some freaky things have been happening. Like the dog. We have a dog over here, a little Shih Tzu. And I've never heard that dog go crazy. Just go off and start yelling. Recently, my lady's dad has been saying every time he leaves through the garage door, from inside the house to go outside, throw the trash, he comes back and the house door is locked. When none of us are locking it, because during the day, the doors, we don't lock it. But yeah. Also, dog has been going super crazy. Like, I don't even know why. Like, over here. Stands. He's always right there. You know what he does? Most of the time, if he barks at this area right here. And it's crazy. Like they bought everything. My lady's parents bought everything in the house. Bought everything as is. And yeah, they threw in extra cash. The guy said, yeah, we'll throw all the furnitures, leave everything fully furnished, and just throw this much amount. And they said, okay. We got creepy things in here, like leather storage books. I mean, they look nice. They just look creepy. They left all their mirrors. Like, I'm always scared I'm gonna catch something in these mirrors. Turn this light off. I think these people were paranoid because there was a camera somewhere back there. And there's a camera up front, the ring. Okay, let me turn that light off. Okay, I'm gonna get this drink real quick. Okay, I'm gonna have to turn this off. scariest view. Yeah, that's the freakiest thing. I'd go into the garage, but I kept hearing noises, and I ain't about to try and find out and see what's going on down there. No siree, you've seen too many movies. It's only little sounds here and there that I'd be down to check out, but yeah. I don't know what it is, but let me see. Let me see, can you zoom? I cannot. Okay. Well, let me show you guys. There's this one, I put leather over his face because too creepy. Her over here, she's popping her head, her eyes out. Look, that's what I'm looking at right now. Creepy. There's this one. There's that one back there. And let me extend this. And there's one right here. I think another back here. But yeah. This one I'm always thinking the head keeps tilting. This one's trouble. I don't know why. Yeah, I hope. Oh, let me get it in here. Let me get comfy. I hope nothing gets. I hope nothing is said. Like, you know how like you can connect. You can catch ghosts saying things on recording devices and whatnot. But yeah, I hope that nothing is captured. But if it is, that would be the most goddamn exciting thing ever. And also recording behind me and whatnot. I don't mind if anything is caught up, but yeah, that I keep hearing noises. I'll keep you guys posted. Don't forget, hit the thumbs up, hit the thumbs up button, and you know, to give a like to the channel if you like the video. It helps out the channel a whole bunch. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell notification so every time I drop a video, you'll be notified. And yeah, hope you guys are being safe out there. I'll update you if anything else creepy happens. And yeah, peace.